Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. Today I am unboxing Modabox. Most of you should know this is a clothing subscription. If you did not know that, I am wearing my blue robe. That always means I'm trying on clothes. So, Modabox. I don't remember if I have a promo code. If I do, that will be linked down below. Modabox has 3 or 4 different tiers. There will also be a playlist down below with more information on the actual things, but I believe the second tier, which is the premier tier, and I believe I get 4 fully styled outfits, and they don't charge a styling fee, but they do what they call a deposit, and they, depending on what tier you decide to use, they put a certain amount of money on hold at the bank as soon as you order your box. For the premier tier, that is $200, and whatever is spent of that $200 is applied to the box. If you don't quite spend the $200, whatever you haven't spent gets put back in your bank. So getting into Modabox, it is styled in New York City, and I must find the opening. It says, "The world is your runway." It all starts here, and they're all neatly packaged. It should have 4 outfits, which it does. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, now the only thing that is kind of a pain in the ass with this is that you actually have to email them to get your shipping label. So they're presuming that you're keeping everything, but you have to email them if you want a return shipping label, and you just put it on the bag, put the stuff you're not keeping in the bag, and off it goes. With the Premier, you have a 7-day trial period. I think the one that is below this, I think you only have 5 days, and I think the one above this also gives you 7 days, but again, I'm not sure. I do give you that information in the first Modabox that I unboxed. So you get a little pamphlet here, and it tells you on the back how it works. I'll take a picture of that and put it on the screen. And then on the inside, Patrizia, my stylist, she's the same stylist I've had forever. I used to do this box a long time ago, just recently started up, but when I did it a long time ago, she was my stylist. And when I started back up, she was my stylist again. She said, "I had so much fun preparing your 6th Modabox. Hope you enjoy the experience as well as the outfits. Your stylist, Patsy." So I did specifically request this box to revolve around our upcoming trip to Paris. I explained to her that I would like maybe some daytime dresses to wear, you know, for walking and shopping and doing all of that. And then I also explained to her that we had some pretty fancy dinners. You get 2 invoices. You keep one. You put the other one back in the bag and send it out. And they have little check marks here. So you actually check off the things that you are keeping, and then you put this back in the bag with the returned items, so they know, I guess, what you've kept, or so they have a paper trail of what you kept. I will take a picture of this and put it up on the screen. And let's get into trying on these things. So for this first outfit, we have a crystal top by LC Couture. It's in a size small for $58. We also have by Soho Apparel animal print pants in Python in a size medium for $58. We also have the studded cuff duster by Tiana B for $68, and we have the Jack Rogers patent leather sandals in a size 7 for $99. I think that the shirt is cute. I think that the shirt is my style. The duster isn't, I like the beading detail on it, but it is too tight in the upper arms. The Python pants are cute. I'm trying to decide if they are too big or just right for me. And these shoes are too small. They fit really tight. They are a size 7. I typically wear a 7.5. Occasionally I can size down. Sometimes I have to size up, but these are too small. I would say out of this outfit, the top and the pants will go in the maybe pile. So for this outfit, we have the metallic woven sneakers by Bebe or BB in a size 7 for $78. We also have the cable and gauge keyhole front sleeveless top in a medium. The color is jungle something or another for $58. We also have relaxed linen shirt by Whereabouts in a size medium for $48. And we also have the contemporary skirt by Kinsey in a size 6 camo for $58. I do really like this shirt. It's really soft. I am wearing the wrong bra with it, but it's super soft, so it's going to go in the maybe pile. I like the color. I think it looks great on me. The shirt, the over shirt, is okay. It's just not really my style, and I absolutely love the skirt, but the seaming is off. The front seam does not line up properly with the back seam, and if I line up the back seam with my crack, then the front seam is off. So the skirt is going to have to go back, and I will tell my stylist that there was a problem with the lining up of the seams. I think the shoes are really cute. I love the gold glittery aspect. I do think they're cute. I really don't collect tennis shoes, so they're probably going to be a no. So as of right now, the only thing that's going to go in the maybe pile is the shirt. So next we have the embroidered dress by Solitaire in a medium for $88, and we also have metallic slides by 7 Dials in a 7.5 for $58. I am just not feeling this outfit as a whole, and no pun intended, you can actually see right through it, so I would have to wear an undershirt with it because you can see my bra through the holes. You can see my crotch through the holes. You can, oh, there's no holes in the back. So, and there's no slip, and I don't wear slip dresses. I don't wear slips, so this is just going to have to be a no for me. I do not like these shoes at all. I feel like a grandma with these shoes on. A grandma in Vegas playing slot machines. So, this entire outfit is a no for me. So next we have the strappy crinkle dress by Roxy in a medium for $49, or $49.50. And we also have the boho chiffon V-cut top by Violet Sky in a medium in blush. I'm assuming these are supposed to be layered together. They came together. It's really comfortable. It's cute. I don't know. I can't really wear the pieces separately because this is too long to actually be a shirt, but it's also see-through, and then this dress actually has a beautiful strappy thing going on in the back, but it's also completely see-through, so I couldn't wear them as separate. I would have to wear it as a single outfit, and I don't know, I feel like maybe it just makes me feel a little matronly. I do kind of like this blush top, but I don't know, it'll go in the maybe pile. So I have decided that I am keeping the animal print pants for $58. I am also going to keep the keyhole sleeveless top that is $58. I decided not to keep the beaded top, and what I'm wearing right now is still a maybe. If I decide to keep it, I'll throw it up on the screen somewhere and I'll just say, yes, I decided to keep this. But as of right now, it's just a maybe, and I'm definitely keeping the pants and the green top, and I will put those in a picture or a little video clip up in one of the corners. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and have a nice day. Bye.